Hello everyone, welcome back to my page and channel. Today I am visiting a small village and once again remind me the natures and the beautiful. So this nature surrounded with on the road. So I think it's very awesome for me because the natures I found and in the nature movement and the peaceful journey. So I remember one thing and specials are quote in my mind. So just I'm saying that past is memory, future is imaginations, but the only present is real. So I stay here breathing, learning, becoming. Now nothing else matters right now, and that's correct.